Hello, my lovely students. How are you all? My name is Lavesh Agarwal and I am your maths educator. Today we are taking class 6 mathematics chapter number 2, that is lines and angles. And in today's part we will be taking how to measure the angles. For that we will start with how to identify that you are using the protector in a wrong way or in a correct way. So we will start with identifying the incorrect uses of protector. We know that how to use the protector, but I am guessing like some of the students may use the protector in a wrong way. So today in this part, we will see how to use the protector in a correct way so that you will get a correct measure of the angle. So let's start with the first example on a screen. On the screen, you have to see that this is an angle. Understood? This is an angle. Now you have to measure the angle. What we will do, we will use the protector. So I've already kept a protector for you on the screen. Now tell me, is this the right way to measure this angle? No. Why this is a wrong way? Because I will tell you one thing. While measuring the angles with the help of protector, you have to remember one thing very clearly, that sir, for measuring the angle, you have to keep this base of the protector on either of the ray of the angle. Understood? First thing. Second thing that you have to remember is, can you see this center of the protector? This center of the protector should be on the corner of the angle, that is on the vertex of the angle. So two things you have to remember while measuring the angles. If two things you are following in a correct manner, that means your answer will be absolutely correct. So tell me, first thing I've told you, the base should be on the base of the protector. Is there any ray on the base of this protector? No. That means the answer is wrong. Understood? Why? Because the base is not on the protector base and we are getting it 35 degree, which is completely wrong. So what is the correct way? Let's see on the screen. Again, we are measuring the same angle, but now in this case, the base is on the base of the protector, first thing. Second thing, that the vertex of the angle is lying on the center of the protector. That means I can say that the angle which I am getting U is 60 degree, right? Because the line is going in this way. That means 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. That means it is a correct way of using the protector. I hope you have understood. Let's see the next one. Next one, we have to measure this angle V, which is coming 80 degree. Let's check on the screen. Is this the correct way? No. Why? This is not the correct way, because the base of the angle and the base of the protector are not same. That means we are getting a wrong answer. So what is the correct way of using it? Let's see on the screen. Now we can say that angle V is of 70 degree. Why? Because the base of angle and the vertex of angle are lying at the right position of the protector. So we can say if the line or the ray is going in this direction, so we will start with this 0. So what we are getting 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. So that means our angle V is of 70 degree. Is that clear? Let's check one more example. So we see this example on screen. Again, we can see that in this angle, base is not lying on the base of the protractor, plus the corner of the vertex. I can say that the corner or the vertex of the angle is not lying on the center of the protector. That means this is completely wrong process of getting a measure of angle. So this W 70 degree is completely wrong. Understood? So what is the right way of doing it? So let's see on the screen again. You will see now the base of the angle and the base of protector is same. Second thing, the vertex of the angle and the center of the protector lying on the same position. That means the answer is completely correct. So what is the answer? Answer is angle W is getting 73. So we can say that this base is going in this direction. Here is 0. So we'll start with the 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. After 70, you will see it is moving upward. That is 71, 72 and 73. So we are getting a correct answer, that is W is equal to 73, or we can say that angle W is equal to 73 degree. Is that clear? Let's take one more example. One more example on the screen is showing angle X. Now angle X is showing 150 degree. Is it correct or not? Let's check. The base is lying on the base of protector. Very good. First thing is clear. It is completely correct. Second thing was the angle or the vertex of the vertex should be lying on the center of the protector, but it is not lying on the center. It is going far behind to that point. That means the process is completely wrong. So what is the right process? Let's check it again on the screen. You can see that angle X is equal to 22 degree. The base of the protector and the angle is same, plus the vertex of the angle is lying on the center of the protector. That means we can say that the ray is going in this direction. Here is the 0. So we will start from here. 0, 10, 20, 21 and 22. So X is equal to 22 degree, or angle X is equal to 22 degree, which is completely right. Is that clear? Let's take one more example. One more example on the screen is showing again an angle Y, and Y is in the right position or not. Let's check. The protector base is this and the base of angle is either this or either this. They both are not lying on the base of protector. That means the position of angle is completely wrong. We don't have to see the second point. Understood? That means we can say that angle Y, which is coming 120 degree, is completely wrong, sir. So what is the right process of measuring this angle? Let's check on the screen again. We will see that again we have to measure angle Y. Now the point, or we can say the center of the protector and the vertex of the angle lying on the same position. Understood? And one of the base of the angle is lying on the base of the protector. So that means we can say the ray is going in this direction and here is the 0. From here we will start counting the angle, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120, 130, 140 and 145. So let's check. Angle Y is equal to 145 degree. Yes, this is completely correct. So this is the right process of using the protector. I hope you have understood this. If yes, let's move and take one more example on this screen. Again, we have to measure here angle. Now the angle is angle Z. Here it is showing that angle Z is 85 degree. Understood? It is showing that angle Z is 85 degree. Now you tell me, is this angle 85 degree measure is correct or not? Let's check on the screen. So I am getting angle Z, but the base of the angle and the base of the protector is on the same position. Correct? The vertex of the angle and the center of the protector are on the same position. Very good. This is also correct. So let's check, are we getting the correct answer or not? So here is the ray in this direction. So I will start with this 0. Yes or no? Yes, I will start with this 0. So we'll start from the 0 and we will go far again. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and this is 105, sir. But what we are getting? We are getting 85 degree. That means the position of protector is correct. So what is the mistake here in this? The mistake is of counting the numbers. So this is not 85. So this is completely wrong. The position of protector was right, but the counting was wrong. So what is the right answer? So right answer is, sir, Z, angle Z is equal to 105 degree. It is completely correct. I hope you have understood. Now you might not do the wrong things while measuring the angles. These are the two things that you have to remember. First thing was that the base of the angle and the base of the protector should be on the same position. Second thing that you have to remember is, sir, the vertex of angle and the center of protector should be on the same position. After that, you have to count the right numbers for measuring the angle. Is that clear? So what we have learned today, we have learned that how to use the protector in a correct way. Understood? Is that clear? If yes, then let's check one assessment so that you can judge yourself either you have learned it right or not. So let's check on the screen. Question 1 is saying, find which one is correct. Now you have to tell me, there are two diagrams. There are two diagrams of measuring the angle. Now you tell me which angle measurement will come correct and which one will be wrong. So let's check on the first part. On the first part, we have to check two things, that is the base of angle and the base of protector should be lying on the same position. Now one property is correct. Second thing I've told you, you have to see that the vertex of angle and the center of the protector should be on the same position. That means this is also correct. Now let's check the measurement. So measurement is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 105. This angle, let's give it a name A. is 105. So this is completely correct, right? So let's check here. We can see that neither the base or not the center of the protector are on the same position with the respect to the angles. So we will consider this second part completely wrong. I hope you have understood. We have understood the correct use of protector. If yes, that's all for today. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.